G'day all, and welcome to the Murder Valley YouTube channel. I've cleared my track off, the routed track, the track that's caused me so many headaches over the last 3 years and lost interest in it, and it sat here and had crap all over it for a long time and haven't been able to get to it. So here it is. I've cleared it off, and I've actually been doing a little bit of repair work to it today. So there's a fresh repair there. So what the problem I've been having is the section between the slot and the rail slot just lifts because it's MDF. So it just it breaks. So you can see I've done meters and meters and meters of repair work, and it doesn't sound like a big deal, but the problem is you go through and you'll fix a meter or two, you'll fix a couple of inches, and then as you finish repairing it, the next bit lets go. So quite a few of these have just kept going, and this has been my problem, how I've gone. The reason why I've been having the problem, and this, I put it down to this: I did the rail slots at 0.8 of a mil, so they're neat, so they're much smaller than the main rail slot, where that everybody else that seems to route a track does all 3 slots the same width, and then use a lock wire. So what my plan for this one was, I was going to install all the rails and then paint the track with the rails in, and then use the paint to hold the rails in. So that's how come I've done it this way. I did intend to originally do it all in continuous rail. That just hasn't happened. But look, here it is. I'll end up going through and I'll do another video where I've got all the build process of how I've done this. I've done it all on photos, not so much videos. But there's a lot of work in this. An awful lot of work in this. I think it took me 10 days to build my AFX track. So far there's about 6.5 to 7 weeks in this, and I'm still not completed. So yeah, you can probably see why I've lost interest in it a bit, but I've got to get it done. So yeah, I'm back on it again, and with you guys hopefully inspiring me to keep on working on it, then hopefully that will happen. So got a pair of call buttons there, the other one's down here. Timing system, I've inverted the timing system. I've actually put the lights, the LEDs down the bottom and the sensors at the top. Don't know if that's smart or not, but that's just what I did. So these holes are for what I call lubrication stations. So they're going to be drink holders, because there's nowhere else on the table to put them. And then there's one here and there's one over there, and these will be tyre cleaning stations and controller checking stations. So they'll have, we use, here in Australia we use XLR plugs, so it'll be an area where I can either control a car by controller or by just track power. So it's a switch there to turn it on and off. You know that point mid-race when something goes wrong and you can't work out whether it's car or controller? That's what this is for. Anyway, I had one on my last track and it was brilliant, which is why I'm now putting 2 in. But yeah, anyway, I hope you like the design of my track. As you can see, I do not have a single straight. Every single area has a curve in it. I went out of my way to make sure that the outside barriers of the track did not follow the slots. And I've tried to rebuild my original track, but got rid of some of the issues. So I had a hairpin here with all 6 R's. As you can see, I've opened that out. I think the lowest radius curve I have in the whole track is a 7R. So there's probably the tightest area. But yeah, so I will get back into building the track, and I will be doing it on the channel here, and taking you along the journey with me as I do it, because I'm working this out as I go along. So there's been a few mistakes happen. More meters of just repairs. So yeah, look, there's been a few things that have gone wrong. I'm not perfect, I don't know everything. So yeah, anyway, thanks for watching. This is a little bit of a preliminary of what's to come on the channel. So yeah, thanks for watching.